Okay, so you bring these guys to Rhino, the way we know already. You're gonna Control Shift and select the edge. You can do that a number of times if you want, or you can just say, I want this one, I want this one, and not this one or the other one. So you can select many at the same time. Now this is only selecting. You need to do the duplicate. There's the duplicate edge here option. Okay, and that you can now hide even these guys and you get the circles and they're exactly in the position that you need them. So then there's the
Okay.
pipe command. You can select, I guess there's only one. I thought it
That's what
was,
makes it like rounded.
I think there's a pipe multiple. There you go. Select all of them. And then you can add a radius. And that's going to depend on the amount of light, because the bigger the pipe, the more light you're going to get. So you can do, I don't know, let's say 1 inch. If it's a lot, that's probably a lot. So you can go back and test different options, no? Multiple, and let's say 0.1 actually. Just so that would be the thing, no? And then you select all of the pipes. To select the pipes, you probably don't want to take the lines, so you can select the lines here. They're inside, and just put them in another layer or delete them if you don't want them. So you can select the pipes, export, DWG, and I think this is the video I did last time.
Yeah.
DWG, then make sure before this that you obviously put in a layer so you can change
Yeah.
the materials. And the material that you assign would be the emissive material. And then that will
Yeah.
be illuminating. And theoretically, it will be illuminating inwards. We will see something there.
And
In
like, would you be able to like recess it? Would I be able to recess it like in Rhino or sorry, in Revit, or will I have to kind of just export everything and then make it recessed in Rhino?
No, I think what you should do is as much as you can solve the problem here. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
I don't think we're gonna be able to do an offset because in your project is your planes are not planar, no, they're actually curvilinear.
Hmm.
So that's a tricky one. You can do an offset of a curve. I can do it, but if the plane is curved, you can do an offset of that. So I would say what you could do, but that just takes too long. I say you try the pipe. You can do a pipe with an offset, unfortunately, and you can do probably a sweep, but it's gonna be a crazy thing because you're gonna have to do, I think, one at a time. So you do this, you put it further away, lower, and then you do a sweep, one rail, and you select the rail, and then this, and you see what it does.
Oh, yeah.
So this now it is offset in a way, so it will be recessed. You will be high, will be, but it depends on a rail, on a sweep rail of this section that I did. I drew it far away from the curve and I say sweep one, rail this guy and section this guy. And it goes always separated from the curve. So this one will work. The problem is that if you have many of those curves, you're gonna have to go one by one. You know,
Yeah.
the pipe is pipe multiple. The street one, it doesn't work as multiple. You're gonna have to do one by one. But again, if you have 4, 5, you can do it. Maybe you don't want to jump into doing more than 6. It just might take too much time.
Yeah.
Anyway, to do this, what I did is just I went to an elevation, a front view, saw the line. I created the circle here. I separated intentionally from the curve, and then I did sweep one rail, select this guy, and then the section, and then it does it. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this one, even if the pipe is inside of your plane, it doesn't matter. As long as you have some of the pipe underneath, you will look. Another option is to take all of these guys. Once you're done, you take them below, very low somehow, and then you do this surface plane. Although if they're curved, anyway, I don't know. Surface, planar surface. This creates a plane, and then you can assign a material to that. That would be a lot of light coming through it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But then you will see the light. Maybe it's
Yeah.
okay. Maybe to see the light is not bad. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyway, think about it.
That way. Okay.